I've got Cubot J5 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open System. Now go to Languages and Input, and then click on Languages. And simply by tapping on Add a Language, you can select the one that you would like to have. As you can see, Cubot has a wide list of languages here. So simply find some language that you would like to have. For example, let me pick French, then the region, and swipe up this language to the first place to have your device in French. So as you can see from now on, let me go back. From now on, your device is in French. If you would like to go back to English or change this language one more time, simply pick System one more time. So it's the last tab, then pick the first tab with the icon of the word. So it's for Languages and Input. Pick Languages and simply slide up English to make it a default one. Or you can click on the three dots icon and click on Remove to remove French permanently by tapping on it, and then confirm by tapping on bin icon. Finally click on OK, and as you can see from now on there is only English included and your device is back in English, but you can obviously change it to some other language if you want to. So that's basically all. This is how you can easily and quickly change language in your Cubot J5. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.